Inday Garnet, nasa Amsterdam ka na naman. Pabalik-balik ka na lang. Wow, look at that, guys. All the boats in the world. Meron po silang ewan anong tawag dyan. Ilagay ko na dyan kung malaman ko, no? Wow. Hanggang doon po yan. Kadami nang dumaan. Kanina pa to. Nagsimula. Umaga pa lang po. Dami pa din. Hi! Saan ka ngayon? Sa? Agoy, parang nawala ang ano niya. Saan ang pet mo? Ang kalo niya, nawala.
Hanapin.
Feeling ko nandoon sa train. Naiwan. Nahulog. Hindi ko alam. Why? Hindi ko alam. Na, magbili na naman tayo. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, Lord. Wow. Party, party.
What's a party, party?
Party, party.
What is that?
That is party, party.
What's a party, party?
Nahulog. Vlog din sila, oh. Nahulog po yun sa, ano tawag dyan? Sa train na sinakyan po namin. Iba't ibang boat, guys. May mga malalaki na boat. Wow. Eva Swaya, Eva Swaya. Say bye-bye.
What do you see? What do you see?
King, 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 king.
Claro.
Daniel, nagpunta na po kay Ralph. Gusto niyang pumunta dito, guys, kaya sumama kami ni Nathan. Kaya meron po siyang gustong bilhin. Tapos ano na din po ba, day off ng kanyang best friend. Kaya nakita po sila. Mamaya magkita kami para sa dinner. Sabay kami mag-dinner 4. Masaya. Pagod na daw siya sa mga boat. Ay, kubalik kami kay kadami pang boat. Ilagay ko po dyan, no? Kayong mga pang-war din po daw na boat dati. Abot pa doon, may mga sakay po kami sa tram na mga tao. Sabi nila 5 kilometers na daw ang nilakad nila. Nagtingin lang ng boat doon banda. Sa sinakyan po namin doon sa pinagpaparkingan po namin lagi dito sa Amsterdam. So kadami po. Simula nga umaga. Good luck dito sa kanya. Tingnan natin hanggang kailan ang kakayanin niya. Wala siyang stroller. Naiwan sa bahay. Tsaka pa po namin na naalala na nasa bahay pa ang stroller niya. Nakaano na kami. Nakaalis na po kami ng bahay. Nakakalahati na. Super busy po talaga. Dito pa rin kami sa loob ng station. Pala kagabi, sinabihan po kami ni Ralph na pa-reserve ng restaurant kasi super busy po. Super na rin ang nasasabi ko ba. Super busy po daw ngayon sa Amsterdam. Nakabalik na naman tayo dito. Inday Garnet, nandyan ka na naman sa Amsterdam. Pabalik-balik na lang. Juicy pa kayo. Magpasalamat na lang tayo. Wala tayo dun sa kusina ko, guys. Nasa ibang ano po tayo lugar. Ano, Bebe Love?
Ice cream.
Iced tea or ice cream? What do you want? You choose. Kayong sa ano natin, sa Antwerp, kadami pong nagreklamo. Inday Garnet, nandyan ka na naman. Hala kayo, guys. Magbalik ba tayo doon? Nag-message si Vika na magpunta po daw. Gusto niya na magpunta doon. Nakasama kami. Na! Ano man yan? Kaya sabi niya, parang mas alam pa po namin ang Antwerp, kami ni Daniel ba, kaysa sa kanya. Grabe guys, tingnan nyo. Ka-busy. Para tayong mga langgam dito. Feeling ko busy din masyado to doon sa Plime. Ang mga electric bike dito guys, ba tinanggalan nila ng mga battery. Natakot din. Natakot na magaya sila sa atin. Manakaw din. Ha? Saan daw ang ice cream? Ando no? Natakot na magaya sila sa atin pag nakawan ng battery guys. Kabigat-bigat ng battery. Tapos maglakad-lakad ka dito ng pagkatagal-tagal. Kapagod din yan, uy. Pero hindi natin alam. Baka nakaw lang po yung battery nila, no? Kaya wala ng battery. Pagbalik nila, pareha sa akin, wala na po sila battery. Maghanap tayo ng ice cream mo, halika. Sweet Bakery. Enjoy the photo. Don't touch, please. O, tayo ka dyan kay picture kita. 1, 2, smile. Oh, yummy. Opo, mag-ice cream ikaw. Wait lang, hanap tayo ng ice cream. pinsan ko kay nabasa ang damit niya pagkahugas ng kamay pagtapos mag-ihi. Anong nangyari? Nabasa ka. Tapos tingnan niyo ang damit niya, plinansya ko yan kanina. Wala. Plinansya ko yan kanina, nakumot sa ano niya. Nakumot sa kanyang bag. O dali na, lakad tayo. Pag hindi mo makita si mama, magsigaw ka ha. Mama! Mama! Okay?
Why?
Why? Because then you can see mama. Then mama can hear you. And then how do you do that? Mama! Ikarabi. Ay, hindi kita marinig. Laksan mo.
Mama!
Oh, very good. Lakad-lakad lang po tayo dito. Ay, punta nga tayo dun sa boat, B. Tingnan natin yung boat. Kung ano ba, pwede na ba sinatan doon. Parang nakasakay man po dati. Magsakay po tayo ng boat. Look at that. All the cheese in the world. Let's see what's inside the beloved. Oh, wow. Yeah, all the cheese. Cheese, the beloved. Yeah, there. They will make the cheese there. Huwag maghawak-hawak yan, please. Hmm? Because? Oh. Yummy. Goat's cheese na color blue? Wow.
And this is orange.
Yeah, orange cheese. Puro cheese in the world. Bango. Silang pa-boat festival dito. Tingnan natin. O sige, tingnan natin kung makapag-boat tayo, okay?
I love you so much.
And I love you too so much, baby love. Grabe, amoy na amoy. Parang mahay pa kami ni Nathan dito, guys. Amoy na amoy po sila, no? Dito kasi yung ano, may coffee shop, mga layuhan na ba?
What?
Ha? Sabi ko baka magsayaw-sayaw tayo mamaya, kay mag-tripping-tripping. 5:30 pa naman po yung reservation namin. Ramen, syempre. Hi, ma'am. Pinay? Pinay. Ala ka, eh. Ano kasi, ma'am? Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much. Taga dito ka lang sa Amsterdam?
What?
Una na kami. Salamat, ha. Thank you. Ala ka, eh. Meron pa tayong nakita ng subscriber, guys. Nakapalo po daw siya sa akin. Tawid po tayo. Saan ang green? Wait lang. Ayan, na green na. Sana daw ang green. Favorite part ko po sa Amsterdam. Look at that. Uy, mahulog ka sa ano ha. Hindi dyan doon tayo banda. Oh, yung sa mga tag 9 euros.
Saan?
Dyan banda. Tagalog na ako ng anak ko, guys. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Okay? Tapos magsakay tayo. Oh! 23.50! Kamahal. Don't skip the ad, guys. Baka naman. Dito tayo kay mura-mura. 1 hour guided canal tour.
Look at that.
Dito tayo sa... Yes, look at that, baby love. That is mura. You see that? Oh, 10.50 ka lang daw. Sabihin mo, don't skip the ad. Sabihin mo, be. Look at that, guys. Ang ating pa... Ano dito? Ating pa... background music. Yeah. Let's go pay. Oh. Yeah, you are 3 years old. 4 to 12 years old. 10 euros and 50 cents. So, ano pa, free pa si Nathan. Di ba ako nakapagdala ng ID niya? 14.50 lang yung nabayaran natin. Libre pa po si Nathan. Kasi next month ka pa mag-birthday. So, mag 4 years old ka na. Pag nag 4 years old ka na, magbayad ka ng 10.50. So, maganda na hindi ka pa 4 kaya na libre ka. Okay? Yes! Libre! Ano daw ang sabi niyan? Lahat ng mga sign, guys, tinatanong ng anak ko anong sabi. Ha?
Anong sabi?
Ang sabi niya, parking.
And this one?
Grabe talaga siya, lahat alam. X, no parking. Lahat na makita niya, pati sa mga sasakyan, magtanong yan siya pag parking. Then dito kay bukas ang bintana. Dito tayo.
Dito.
Nay, doon tayo sa bukas ang bintana sa kabila. Dito. Diyan. Kay bukas ang bintana. Oh! Wow! We are in the boat. Now, are you happy?
I am happy.
Very, very?
Very.
Look at that. Wawa Hui. Amsterdam.
We gaan nu daar.
Nog niet, Bebela. Mag-wait pa tayo. Kaya hindi pa napuno ang barko.
Kasi puno ang barko.
Puno is, the boat is nog niet vol.
En vol zijn?
Ja, natuurlijk.
Waarom?
Omdat ze willen geld. En ze willen dat veel te veel mensen hier zitten. Hè? Snap je nu?
Ja.
Oké. Jij, wil je ook geld?
Ja.
Hoeveel geld heb je?
3 euro.
3 euro, dat is veel te veel. May baby sa harap niya. Kasi lukso.
You guys can use this.
Ay sakay tayo ng boat. May kakarating lang po. Ay sakay po tayo ng boat. Kasi natin walang stroller. Mabuti ito, makukuupo lang po tayo. Pagpapatay ng oras. Kaya para sa dinner po natin mamaya. Ano na pa naman, alas 4 na ngayon. Tapos yung po namin reservation is 5:30. Oh, mga bagong dating. Parang pwede ka din po dito order. May mga boat din guys na yung pwede ka talaga mag-inom-inom ng wine. Nagbebenta po sila. Pero ito parang hindi ako sure. May nagbebenta ng mga inom. Pepsi. Yung parang nga sa atin sa bus. Tapos may mag-akyat na may dala na mga dala na binibenta. Alis na tayo guys. Nandiyan na ating driver. Tsura mo. We're going everyone. We're going. Upo lang Bebela ba? You love it? I love it. Napuno din ang guys. Ang bangka. Huh?
Ready to go?
Ready to go?
Excited?
Excited? You answer too. Oh.
Anders ook, hè? Toch? Handjes voor Nederlands? Ja. English? We do English?
Yes.
En Duits? Ja, Duits.
Ano gusto mo? English? Huh?
Frans?
France din ba?
And more than 4 languages means that I have to stop with for every object. Or it takes much longer than 1 hour. So, and of course we do Nederlands, eh? Because we have Dutch people. We do English, because that's the main language. Everybody speaks English.
Wow, look baby love. You see that?
We do French because they don't speak English.
Ay,
You can follow me on TikTok also.
oh.
And what more?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's my first day.
Yes.
Oh. First day niya daw, baby love. Sabi mo, congrats!
Good class. Yes.
Say was bye, baby love.
Dames en heren, hartelijk welkom aan boord van deze rondvaartboot van Rederij Vlak.
Looking to your left, you will see the Scheepvaarthuis, shipping house, built by 6 major Amsterdam shipping companies to serve as their head office. This building is also known as the House with 1,000 Windows. It was built in the famous style of the Amsterdam School and was decorated with details from shipping history, including the voyages of the VOC.
Ce bâtiment est également appelé la maison aux 1000 fenêtres. Le bâtiment est construit dans le style de la célèbre école d'Amsterdam.
We are now sailing the old inner harbour of Amsterdam, the Kromme and the Oude Waal. Behind the locks, ships were docked, sheltered from the sea.
Wir fahren jetzt durch den alten Binnenhafen von Amsterdam, de Kromme en de Oude Waal. Hier, hinter der Schleuse, lagen die Schiffe geschützt vor dem Meer.
Nous naviguons maintenant dans les anciens ports intérieurs d'Amsterdam.
Amsterdam was facing a major housing shortage, forcing people to live on boats in the past. Some of these boats we see moored in this area. These days, the situation is very different. Houseboats are highly sought after nowadays. All of the houseboats are connected to all of the facilities. People are willing to pay considerable amounts for these floating houses.
Amsterdam kämpfte mit einer großen Wohnungsnot. Alle Hausboote besitzen einen Gas-, Wasser- und Elektrizitätsanschluss.
Jadis sur des bateaux par nécessité, et nous en voyons ici quelques exemples. Il en va tout.
To your right, we can see the Montalbans-Toren, an old defence tower. The bottom part of the tower dates back to the 15th century, while the top part was built onto it in the 17th century.
People, the boats on the sides are all houseboats. We have about 3,000 houseboats. There are families living in all the houseboats. If you want to live on a houseboat, you cannot bring your own boat because it's full. The only way is if you buy one on its spot. But that can be pretty expensive. The white houseboat, for example, here at your right side, just before the bridge in the corner, they sold us for over 400,000 euro.
400,000 euro just.
But then you have everything, eh? You have the boat, you have the permission to stay there, connection with all the facilities, so you have a real house. It's not this one, eh? The one in the corner, I said.
So small. Grabe ka lit, 400,000 guys. Why is super mahal? 400,000 for a boat. Do you have 400,000?
The canal we are sailing now is called Oudeschans, or Old Rand, yet another of the old defensive canals of the city. In the past, the city walls were on your right-hand side.
Die Gracht, durch die wir jetzt fahren, heißt Oudeschans. Auch sie ist eine alte Verteidigungsgracht der Stadt. Auf der rechten Seite befand sich früher die Stadtmauer.
So everybody can rent a boat. You don't even need a drain, eh?
Nakakatawa itong ano namin ba, taga-drive ng bike. Sabi niya daw na dito sa Amsterdam, marami talagang nagbo-boating, so busy. Busy masyado, traffic po. Kaya sabi niya dito daw, hindi kailangan na may lisensya para makapag-drive ka ng mga bangka-bangka. Kahit wala ka daw utak, pwede ka daw mag-drive. Huwag daw mainit. Wow! Ang ganda-ganda.
On the left, at the top of the bridge, is a very slanted little house, the lockkeeper's house of the St. Anthony Lock. This was once one of the sea locks of Amsterdam. Rembrandt once lived behind it, in the house with the window shutters. This is the Rembrandt house.
Smile. Yeah, straps, okay.
To the left is the Waterlooplein, or Waterloo Square. This is the most famous second-hand market in Amsterdam. The market sprang up as a place to trade in the middle of the Jewish quarter of Amsterdam. The market is open from Monday through Saturday.
What is bawal?
Bawal.
What is that?
Dat jij mag hier niet eten, bebelag. Wow, so mooie boat, kijk. Beautiful.
What is this?
That's a boat.
A houseboat?
Yeah.
We are now sailing the Amstel River. In the past, the Amstel was one of the rivers that used to flow out into the sea.
Wir fahren hier auf dem Fluss die Amstel. Die Amstel war einst einer der Flüsse, die ins Meer mündeten.
These piles began to rot, which caused the houses to tilt. The reason these piles started to rot is the lowering of the groundwater level, allowing oxygen access to the wood.
Ist darauf zurückzuführen,
Para
dass der
talaga siyang
Hochwasser
sumasayaw, guys, kaya hindi siya straight. Grabe.
Sauerstoff ans Holz gelangen
Mga
konnte.
bahay.
Ces maisons sont construites sur des pilotis et ceux-ci ont
Amazing.
commencé à pourrir, ce qui a provoqué une inclinaison des maisons.
To the left of us, we can see the Moottoren, or Mint Tower, an old defence tower from the 15th century. The upper part was added in the 17th century.
Ganda, guys. Restaurant. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan. Magmalitis sa mga mayayaman yan sila, guys. Kaya meron silang boat. Nag-enjoy naman kayo dyan, guys, sa pa-boat natin. Sana naman, oh. Nakadaan na po tayo dito. Yan yung mga pabilihan po ng tulips.
On the left side, we can see the flower market. The market consists of floating flower shops, a relic from the time that flowers were transported to Amsterdam by boat.
But anyway, don't just check the flower shops here, but check the beautiful warehouses. They're really the oldest ones on this canal. This is the first defending canal around the old city.
We are now sailing the Singel. Until about 1585, this was the western city boundary. It was originally a canal connecting the Amstel to the sea, and it was protected by locks. To your left, you can see one of the narrowest canals in Amsterdam, the Woningsloot. The interesting thing is that these houses are directly on the water, just like in Venice.
Wow. Very beautiful. Grabe, guys. Kaganda naman talaga. Uy. Ito, tingnan nyo. 1892 po siya na-build. Yan.
Have a look at the facades of the houses you can see on the left and right of us. Here are many kinds of facades, but the most common are the stepped gable, the bell gable, the neck gable, the frame gable, and the spout or funnel gable. You can see that each house has a hoisting beam high on the facade. As doors and stairs in houses in Amsterdam are very narrow, moving is usually done using the windows. In many places, you will see low railings along the canals. Parking on the canals isn't completely risk-free. These railings were installed in the 60s because cars were driven into the canals almost every day. To your left, you can see the Westermarkt with the Westertoren, the most famous tower in Amsterdam. It was built between 1620 and 1631 and was designed by Hendrik de Keyser. The bridge in front of you is the Torensluis, or Tower Lock. You can see a former prison from the 17th century. Bear in mind that at the time there was no functional system of locks, which meant that prisoners would stand in water up to their waist during high tides.
Haie im Wasser standen.
Le pont devant vous est la Torenschlag.
Grabe, tingnan nyo ang bahay, guys. Yung red. Super small. Yung red. Straight lang siya. Wow. Grabe. Parang 1 meter lang siya, guys. Ang ano niya. 1 meter lang nga siya. Grabe yan. Uy, parang isang ano ko lang. May pamilya daw na nakatira dyan. Wow. Grabe no.
It's interesting for you to know that we have over 1,800 bridges here in Amsterdam. The canals are about 3 meters or 10 feet deep. The first canals were dug in the 13th century for the transfer of goods. Every time the city increased in size, more canals were dug around the center in semicircles.
Daming ulam, pangpatutin. May mga bibi.
To your right, ahead of you, you will shortly see the round Lutheran church with its copper roof. These days, the building serves as a cultural facility and congress center.
So we have also a house for cats. Actually, it's a boat, the cat boat.
Cat boat?
The pussy boat in Dutch.
Where?
The
Pussy,
boat.
pussy boat? Oh, this one, all the cats in the world.
There are really cats inside, so
Oh.
you don't see one. Really.
Bawal dyan si Nathan, guys. Puro cat daw yan dyan. The cat boat.
We are now sailing toward the Haarlemmersluis, one of the 16 former sea locks in Amsterdam.
Hello. Yeah. Hey, look. Mag-usap-usap yun sila dito, guys. Ganyan sila mga feeling close. Ganyan ang mga Dutch. Mga mababait po yan sila. Mga friendly ba? Yung maraming tao sa taas. Ka-traffic ba? Grabe. Busy nga sa mga boat ang Amsterdam. Parang mga nagsabong na ang mga boat dito. Tingnan nyo, dyan sila nagtambay. Tingin-tingin lang sa mga boat. Yung building na yan, 1843 pa siya, guys. Wow! Gano'n nakatagal nun? Calculate daw, guys. Ay, umupo din kami dyan minsan. Dyan. Paano dyan pa bar? Party, party! Babalik na po tayo. Malapit na tayo sa si Daniel. Nagtanong na still voting pa ba daw? Ay mag 5:30 na ang kain natin. The train of Amsterdam.
On your right, you can see the Central Station, which was opened to the public in 1889. The station was constructed on an artificial island along the old open harbour front. Since 1889, the station has been expanded many times in order to keep up with the growing number of travellers.
We are now nearing the end of our boat trip. Reederei Plus hopes that you have enjoyed what you have seen and that you are satisfied with the way the captain has taken care of you on this trip. If you feel like giving the captain a token of your appreciation, the captain would certainly be very grateful. We thank you for your attention.
Mag-tip daw sa captain, guys. Kung gusto nyo. Pinanood ko siya siguro mga 10 minutes kaya na-board na siya.
Wenn ihr dem Kapitän ein Zeichen
Okay, tapos magkain na tayo. Nag-enjoy ko kayo.
Reederei Plus espère que vous avez apprécié cette croisière et que vous êtes satisfait de la manière dont le capitaine vous a fait visiter le navire. Si vous souhaitez exprimer votre satisfaction, le capitaine vous remercie d'avance. Nous vous remercions de votre attention et vous souhaitons un agréable séjour à Amsterdam.
Thank you.
And enjoy Amsterdam. Thank you.
Thank you, kamat. Nathan. But look at it. Amsterdam. Hindi naman kayo magreklamo niya. Napabalik-balik na tayo dito. Grabe ang airport, oh. Ito ang pinakagrabing airport. Look at that. Thank you, baby love. You don't have stroller, but it's good. You're very fine. Thank you. Grabe ang airport ni Nathan, guys. Kaya ano po talaga siya. Lakad lang. We are proud of you, baby love. Do you know that? May sign trots of yaw. Thank you, ha? Dahil napunta tayo kay Papa. Tara, magpunta tayo kay Ralph. Sa ano daw, ang kay Ralph niya daw. Nasa tram na sila, magpunta na sila doon sa ramen. Malapit na lang din naman po yung ano dito, ramen. Sobrang lapit lang sa may station. Ayun, station, oh. Wait na muna, baby love. Not yet. Still red. Oh, it's green. Hala. Grabe ang mga tao doon, para ng langgam ba sa kadami. Tingnan nyo ang mga nagbabike. Number 1. Mas marami pa ang bike sa Netherlands, guys, kaysa sa sasakyan. Yes po. Yan ang number 1 transportation po no, ng Netherlands, ang pagbabike. Sanay po sila dyan. Kaya siguro matagal sila mamatay, guys, kay mga ano po sila, mga healthy. Masaya ka sa Amsterdam, bebe love?
Masaya.
Masaya masyado?
Masaya.
Masyado? Or konti lang?
Masaya. Masyado.
Ah. Konti lang? Bukas sana naman tayo maabot nito. Huwag magsigaw. Kung marinig ka ng mga tao. Tingnan yung mga bike ko. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, guys. Ay, busy pa kami ni Nathan. Sige, lakad. You see that? So, moy-moy palaboy. Andun na sa, ano, unahan ang Takumi. Wait lang, it's still red. Wait lang po. Oh, tram. Baka andyan si Papa sa loob ng tram. Baka andyan sila ni, ano, Uncle Ralph. Is that green or red? Red pa. Oh, green. Kain na din sila dyan, oh. Snack-snack. Inom-inom ng mga pa-beer. Halos karamihan dyan, guys, mga turista po talaga. But look at that. Wow! Grabe yan. Kaganda naman talaga. Argentinian restaurant. Echt waar? Ik ook hoor. Ik hou zoveel van jou. Van the bottom of my heart.
Is Papa there?
Yeah, Papa is bijna here. Look, guys. Wow. Yummy.
This.
That is a waffle. Wow. And that is with the strawberry.
This.
Pancake. Uy, dali na kayo, naghintay na si Papa. Patapos lahat na lang itanong. This is your mama.
This is Poopy.
Nyek. This is your poopy. Ayun na si Ralph, guys. At saka si Daniel. Hi! How are you? Feeling good? Ala! Alala, may dala-dala na siya, oh. How are you, Ralph? Yeah, we're hungry. How are you?
Good.
No work today? Oh, my husband ay mag-hug.
You're giving me a cheek? Not a lips? Where are my lips?
Nagbiso-biso kami ni Daniel.
Ramen.
Ano yung ramen?
Groente. Oeh, Japanse curry is ook leuk.
Do you want, ano my love? That? The gyoza also? I'll order 12 pieces and then we can share.
We can share, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Spicy. Oh ja, vindt het af lekker. Spicy.
I also want this, but...
It's not too spicy?
Huh?
It's not too spicy?
No, not too spicy. But
Oh, yeah, the
do you
black-
want
black
rice
garlic
or
is-
noodles?
Black garlic.
Rice, and then this one. You also want this?
And
And the gyoza. Rice and this one and the gyoza. Noodles. You want noodles?
Yeah, and later and yosa.
Minum. Oh, homemade iced tea. Wow, gyoza. Lekker-di. Eat Ralph. Yeah, that's all for us.
So,
Dito toyo. Yeah, he's also speaking English now. Talk to Ralph. With the English.
ramen.
Look guys, tonkotsu. Mainit pa ha, hot pa.
Nice.
Enjoy guys. Look at Daniel's order. Yan yung palagi kong order. Manghang po yan. What did you order? Ah, with the chicken. Yeah, of course, Ralph.
Chicken.
Kain. Kaya mo lang dyan? Oh, grabe ang sabaw.
3-pack chicken powder. It's pretty good, like. Lekker? I left the devil off the top. I'm going to smoke them. China to India and then back to Melbourne.
With the place, eh?
The meat is better than in Groningen.
Yeah.
Someone recommended to you.
No, I always look in the internet. The best. The best.
That's how she gets the TikTok stuff. And then most of the time it's not actually the best, but sometimes it is.
It is. Okay na guys, busog na. Halika dito kay mama dali. Saan? There?
Where you want to go shopping?
No, I don't want to go shopping. Did you say?
I want to go shopping.
You want to go shopping? I don't want to go shopping. You have money?
Yes.
How many money? How much do you have?
All the money.
All the money in the world? Wow! Mag-upo-upo na muna daw kami guys. May na tayo mag-uwi no gabi na. Kaya nakatulog din man itong isa. Mag-ano tayo inom-inom na mga tea, coffee, or beer, or wine. Hindi sila busy dito in fairness. Nasa likod kasi itong. Likod na masyado. Nathan! Maghintay. Pag hindi mo makita si mama, anong gawin? Magsigaw ng...
Mama.
Paano?
Mama.
Mahina yan. Laksan mo.
Mama.
Ganon. Okay? Pag hindi mo makita si mama at papa, magsigaw. Wow! Look, baby love. So beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Red light. Oh, bawal daw, no picture. Ano siya? They are renting it. Babae man ang mag-ano dyan. Mag-rent. Kasi mag-tayo. Ganyan ang itsura ng red light, guys. That's the red light. Ha? Oh, they're closed because someone is inside. Doing amazing things in the world. London Bridge, English pub. Oo, magtingin sa daan. Habulin mo ako kung mahabol mo ako, sabi ni Nathan, guys. Pagpuyo, pagtingin kasi kinadaanan mo kay may mga autos. Hello.
Want to go to the plane, have a drink there?
Yeah.
Do I need to walk a bit more?
Yeah. Wala, it's raining, mahal.
Yeah, so it changed your plans. Not only that you go sit inside, but now it's better to sit inside.
Yeah. At Rehan! Ilagay mo ang ano mo, ang kapasyon.
I know a place that has a lot of nice wine.
Where?
Ralph's place.
Ano yan? Parang french fries yan kain nila guys. Ano to? First time ko dito. What is? First time natin nakapasok dito. Oh! A car! That's amazing! Dito kami umupo in town sa loob guys. Ang ano sana natin doon sa labas. Kaya maganda ang view. Dito kami kaya nag-ulan na. Did you enjoy, mahal?
I did.
We too. We enjoyed.
It's very weird when you get here at 3.
Why?
Because before you know it, it's 4, and then you need to go somewhere, and then before you know it, it's 5:30 and you need to eat.
Yeah. But now?
It was like it was 4, and I'm saying to her, like, we need to go because we need to eat at 5:30, and we still need to get something somewhere else. Rather for hem ook wat makkelijker then.
What, mahal?
That this is a better spot for us than
Yeah.
a very busy group.
Yeah, and also people there are smoking. Yeah, this is...
Chocolate.
Wow, chocolate milk and then chocolate pa jud. Wow, a lot of energy.
Mag papa een hapje? Mag ik een hapje proeven?
Mas mabuti nga dito, guys. Kaya may bata tayo. Nalipat po kami sa loob ng restaurant kasi mag-close na yung mall. Look at outside, guys. Very moy-moy palaboy. Okay na, guys. Tumigil na po ang ulan. Uwi na tayo. Anong oras na ba? Buti na lang natulog si Nathan kanina. Mag-alas 8 na. Hi! Doon siya kay kay Ralph. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nakadaan din tayo kanina dito sa boat. Wow, wowie. Mag-tram na naman po tayo ngayon. Papunta sa Central Station. Torture Museum. Torture Museum daw, guys. Mahal. Expensive, expensive.
How much?
I don't know. I just I just know it's expensive. Uniqlo yan, guys. Bukas pa sila, oh. Hanggang ano po siya, 3rd floor. Malaking Uniqlo. Alam nyo, guys, dalhin ko kayo dito sa winter. Mas maganda po dito sa winter kasi mas maaga na magdilim. Tapos makita nyo ang mga ano. Maganda masyado yan. Yung mga building nila. Ay. Dito po tayo daan. Ganda ng Amsterdam, no? Baka magreklamo pa rin kayo dito, guys, ha? Grabe na talaga yarn. Ganda-ganda, oh. Look at that. Wow! I love it. Amoy steak. Grabe kasarap. Parang sarap pa magkain ng steak. Uy, gutom na naman ako. Grabe, guys. Hindi pa rin sila natapos. Look! Wow! All the boats in the world, Bebe Love. Anong oras na? Alas 8 na. Pauwi na kami. Andito pa rin po sila. Oh, malalaking boat na. Opo, mag-uwi na tayo now. Do you like that?
And Papa? And Papa?
And Papa is there. Wow! Alin here? Hindi na sila natapos, guys. Gabi alas 8 na. Good luck kay Nathan. Kay ano niya na po, bedtime niya na ngayon. Anong oras na, Bi? Pakita ko sa inyo. Alas 8. Look at that. Si Ralph umauwi na din po. Guys, sigilan na natin ang mga kabuang natin today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow. We'll be absent. Bye! Yeah, we can still get in, my love.